Pinkfong.
Choo-la-la-la-la-la.
Subscribe! It's nice to see you here again, friends. This is the Pinkfong Car Hospital, where we fix broken cars. But something feels super spooky around here today. I think there's something wrong with our vehicle, friends. Quick, let's go! Oh no! The police car, fire truck, and ambulance are all zombies! Friends, let's help the super rescue team get back to normal again. Shall we get started then? Hoi poi! Pinkfong on the move! Let's go! What can I do to help you today?
My siren has broken into pieces. Hey, who's there?
Your siren has been bitten by a zombie.
Ouch, ouch, it hurts. Please help me.
Quick, let's help the zombie police car get better before he gets even worse. First, let's completely remove the broken siren. 1, 2. We got all the screws. Now let's replace it with a new siren. Which one of these do you think is the police car siren? The top one? Okay. Huh? Oh, those are blinking traffic lights. Let's try that again. Right, a police siren goes wee-oo, wee-oo. That's strange. We fixed the siren, but the police car isn't back to its normal self yet.
Ouch! That hurts!
I think there is still something bothering him. Let's look and see. Oh, I see some zombie virus in there. Friends, let's use some spray to help the police car get back to normal. Ew. Wow, the police car is back to normal again.
Friends, thank you so much for your help.
Help me, police car!
An emergency! I need to get going now!
Woohoo!
Police car to the rescue!
Help me!
Stop right there! Zombie, you're under arrest!
What can I do to help you today?
My ladder has snapped in half.
Your ladder has been bitten by a zombie.
Ouch, ouch, it hurts. Please help me.
Just hang on, fire truck. We'll help you get back to helping others in no time. It's his ladder. The fire truck's entire body has rusted. Ninimo, let's use a robot to remove it. Great work, Ninimo. Now, let's give the fire truck a new body and a new ladder. look for the correct ladder and body. The top one? Huh?
Get me down, please!
Phew, we almost turned him into a vampire truck. Let's try that again. That one looks good. That's a skeleton's body! I think a real fire truck is red. Zombie fire truck is all better now.
Thank you. Now I can go back to helping those in need.
Please help me, fire truck!
Oh no! I'll be right there! Fire truck to the rescue! I need to put out the fire! Oh, I'll help you get down from there! Safe and sound!
What can I do to help you today?
My tires have popped and gone all flat.
Your tires have been bitten by zombies.
Ouch, ouch, it hurts. Please help me.
Don't you worry. We can help you move patients again in no time.
Oh, ouch, ouch,
Oh no, the bad tires have flown right off. We need to replace them with new ones. Which one is the ambulance's tire? The third one that's white? Okay.
Where's the rest of my body?
They were skeleton heads. Let's try that again. The second one?
Oh.
That's not it. This is Ninimo's favorite candy. Which one of these is the ambulance's tire? That's right. Huh? The ambulance still looks like a zombie, even with the new tires. We have no choice. Let's fuel her up with medicine. The ambulance looks all white and shiny again.
Now I can go back to moving patients. Thanks, Pinkfong and Ninimo.
Please help me.
I think there's an emergency. I better go. Ambulance to the rescue! It's those zombies again. I need to feed them these pills. Off to the hospital.
We're super glad that the Super Rescue Team isn't a bunch of zombies anymore.
Thank you for fixing us!
Pink, pink, hooray! Mission accomplished! Friends, let's help more vehicle friends next time. I lost my candy.
Don't worry, I will help you find it! Let's move out! Who took the candy from the big trick-or-treat bag?
Who's this?
Who took the candy from the big trick-or-treat bag?
Who's this?
Oh, the cowboy took the candy from the big trick-or-treat bag.
All right.
Let's go find the cowboy right away.
Right away.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Maybe it was the pirate.
Who took the candy from the big trick-or-treat bag?
Who's this? this?
Who took the candy from the big trick or treat bag?
Who's this?
Oh, the pirate took the candy from the big trick or treat bag.
All right.
Let's go find the pirate right away.
Right away.
Not me.
Then who?
Maybe it was the fairy.
Who took the candy from the big trick or treat bag?
Who's
Who
this?
took the candy from the big trick or treat bag?
Who's this?
Oh, the fairy took the candy from the big trick or treat bag.
All right.
Let's go find the fairy right away.
Right away. Not me.
Then who?
Maybe it was the thieves.
Oh no, they caught us.
Yay! Mission accomplished! Yoey, 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 happy Halloween!
Halloween! Yoey, 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 happy Halloween! Halloween! Yoey, yoey, Halloween, and yoey, yo, bonus card. Yoey, yoey, happy Baby car, boom, 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 boom. Baby car, boom, 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 boom. Baby car, boom, 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 boom. Baby car, beep, beep.
Mommy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Mommy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Mommy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Mommy car beep beep.
Daddy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Daddy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Daddy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Daddy car beep beep.
Grandma car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Grandma car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Grandma car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Grandma car, beep, beep.
Grandpa car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Grandpa car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Grandpa car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Grandpa car beep beep.
Halloween, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom.
Halloween, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom.
Halloween, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Halloween. Baby car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Baby car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Baby car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Baby car, beep, beep.
Mommy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Mommy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Mommy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Mommy car beep beep.
Daddy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Daddy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Daddy car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Daddy car beep beep.
Grandma car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Grandma car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Grandma car, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Grandma car, beep, beep.
Grandpa car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Grandpa car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Grandpa car boom boom vroom vroom vroom. Grandpa car beep beep.
Halloween, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom.
Halloween, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom.
Halloween, boom, boom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Halloween. Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Wow!
Knock, knock, trick or treat. Give me something sweet to eat. Knock, knock, trick or treat. Give me something good to eat. Knock, knock, trick or treat. Give me something good to eat. Knock, knock, trick or treat. Give me something sweet to eat.